All right, we should be live and okay. Audio is added, video is added. Good. So yes, welcome back to another live, guys. And my name is Jai, and I'm from Team Stolo. So for those of you who are new here, Stolo is the is India's ultimate options trading platform where we provide full-fledged analysis, paper trading, as well as live trading, right? So you can come and check out the platform, sign up, and you would get a free trial as well. And make sure you explore the platform, right? So yes, what we do here in today's video is we will be analyzing the market. We will try and understand what did happen in today's market and also try and predict what could happen in the coming days, right? So that is something we do on daily basis, and we have done this previously as well, right? So you can make sure to check out the previous videos as well, and you will get an idea of how we actually analyze the market, right? Yes. So okay, good. So welcome back, and quick disclaimer: this is completely for educational purpose only, right? We do not provide any calls or tips, and before you do take any trade, make sure you consult your financial advisor. Awesome. So yes, GK says hello, Jai. Hello, GK. How are you? How was your day? Let me know if you did take any trades or anything else, anything did analyze in the market, right? So you can let me know for sure. Yes. So coming to Bank Nifty today, right? So Bank Nifty again. So today, it is looking like it is still going high every day, right? So that's something we see, but then uh, a small momentum loss is what I'm seeing. A small consolidation may happen, may not happen. Again, we are at all-time high, so you cannot say anything, right? So that is something we are yet to see. So consolidation might obviously slow down, but I'm still seeing it go a little more higher, right? So I'm still bullish on both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and again, every day we are seeing new highs as well, right? So that is one good sign. So yes, coming to Bank Nifty today, yeah, similarly, there were two similar movements in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Both opened very good, but until 10 it fell down, right? So the opening was positive itself. We did not see a fall during the opening. I think Bank Nifty, if I'm not wrong, had a small gap up opening, which was uh, said to be covered as well, right? So gap ups is something we usually do see it covered, at least during the same day. If it goes towards the gap up or gap down openings, it usually does get covered, right? But day wise, if there is like, I think the previous 3 4 days that we have seen where it's opened gap up 3 days in a row and it's still in a good momentum, that way, usually it does or it may not also, right? So there isn't 100% guarantee, but usually in general basis, it should get. Yes. Okay. So yeah, free trial. Yes, TK. So you can surely check out Stolo. So the duration is for 5 complete trading days, right? So if it is Monday to Friday, you would get the complete 5 days of trading days complete for free. Obviously, you can check out the whole platform, and we would love your feedback as well, right? So that is something we have been seeing. So yes, we shall come to Reliance as well soon. On the same page with you, expecting more up move. Awesome. Yes. So that is something we are seeing in the market, right? So there might be a lot of, so something that usually happens and something we are talking about in the last couple of days is when there is a huge up move, a lot of people does expect it to come down. The next day, right? But that may happen, may not happen, but that's what the usual bias is, right? So that is something we are seeing. So Nifty, I mean, Bank Nifty, there's a small trend line I've drawn, but again, due to the all-time highs, this is something I'm seeing might be a fake breakout, right? So this was a trend line I've drawn from 27 June, where it is consistently taking support, right? So that is something I'm seeing. But yes, a small breakout or anything here does not again signify a lot unless it is completely shown during the market, right? So the up move is still on. Again, this I'm expecting it to at least. So that's what, right? So the huge momentum that we saw in 3 4 days might have slowed down. Again, we will understand it completely tomorrow itself. But yes, there could be a more sideways to upways market is something I'm trying to see, right? And yes, OI basis, again, why we are still bullish is the huge sell-off in the call OIs, right? So if you look at it, 45,000, 45,100, 45,200, huge sell-offs, right? Around 10 lakh sell-off at 45,200 as well, which uh, so usually there isn't a lot of sell-offs when we see on intraday basis in terms of in the money calls, right? So that only happens when there is still that momentum brewing, right? So if you look at the overall week, so July 1st, July 6th will be the first expiry. And if you look at it, yes, 45,500 was one level we were keeping an eye out. That is this level. It did break out of it, reached almost 45,700, right? This is Nifty futures again. And it came back down towards the end of the day. So we almost saw a high around 125 and a complete fall over after that, right? So good. I think so. Bank Nifty it did cross 45,500. We knew it would be bullish after that, but Nifty we will come to it where there was a very good trade right upon the levels marked. So yes, here again we see 45,000 to 45,500, 45,500. The call um, sellers are still there. They're still telling that, okay, we will be ending below this particular level, right? So that's something we are yet to see. PCR again 1.5 is looking very strong, right? Very bullish trend, and it is very high. So usually when other than all-time highs, if you see PCR to be very high, we do expect a reversal, right? But because this is all-time highs, this is something we will expect for some more time until there's a lot more consolidation happening, right? So yes, that is Bank Nifty. Coming quickly to Nifty, I'll show you 19,500 should be the uh, zone we had drawn yesterday, right? Okay, so this specific thing is something I've seen from before. Let me just change the time frame into 1 day if possible. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. So this was a yes. So this is something it broke out of, right, and which is not considered anymore. But yeah, what I was basically saying is okay. This was the basically the channel it was moving through, and the breakout gave us the all-time highs as well, right? So this was one specific thing. I don't think this would be required anymore, but yes, let me just save that and come back to 5 minutes and I'll show you the exact level. So this is uh, a level that we had marked yesterday, right? And that is exactly where we had seen a trade as well. So yeah, this is another thing where I'm just putting it for now, where I'm seeing a lot of um, at least for 2 days straight, there has been a good pickup from this zone, right? So we should keep an eye out for that as well. And yes, so this is a zone. So around 19,500 is a specific that we saw a very strong resistance zone, right? And this is exactly where a trade could have been taken in terms of where it was very um, oversold. It was outside the Bollinger Bands for intraday itself. It hit our resistance level where we already know there was a lot of OI, and we also saw a similar fall in Bank Nifty, and we could have expected a good bearish fall, right? So that is something we could have taken a trade at this level towards the end of the day, right? If I'm not wrong, this should be around 25, 130. So it was a 1:3 risk reward trade, and that's the thing, right? What we do is any trade, if there is a risk reward of 1:2, and if you know that strategy has a winning strategy, a winning percentage of over 51%, you can eyes closed keep taking such trades, right? Because on the long run, you will be making more money. So yes, that is the analysis, and I will be, yes, let me just check. Okay. Yes, GK. So I think 5 day free trial. So GK, you can for sure let me know what you think about the platform as well. Maybe in the live itself tomorrow, you can let me know your feedback. Will make it a little more interesting. So that way, yes. Other than that, that is the view. Still bullish. Still bullish. We can see. Maybe a small consolidation happening also, but let's see, right? So because we are continuously moving higher and higher, and there are certain stocks, constituents of Nifty, Bank Nifty, still yet to hit their all-time highs as well, right? Maybe we get to see that, and we would be heading towards 20,000 as well in Nifty, right? So that would be a bigger. Somehow, I just feel 20 hitting 20,000 in Nifty would create a lot more noise, right? And it would be okay. This was a very good bull run. So yeah, that is something I'm hopeful to see. But yeah, currently in the market is still bullish. We are at all-time highs, almost hitting it every day, and this is very good again for uh, option buyers. As I've told before, these markets are very good for you as well, right? So you should be putting in your trades, but make sure you put a stop loss, and that's exactly how the name Stolo also was created, stop loss. So yes, thank you so much for joining in, and make sure you come and join the live tomorrow as well. But before you leave, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any lives, right? So yes, thank you so much for joining in, and we shall catch you back tomorrow. Okay, yes. So GK says I'm traveling this week, hence away from terminal. Try once back. Surely, GK. And yes, that's another topic by itself. So that's very good. You're keeping away from the screen as well. A good break is also always needed, right? So yes, surely you can check it out once you're back. Thank you.